Bullish STEPN cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.78 and $3.37 by 2030. Market experts accept GMT could reach $1.39 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 31 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the essential presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your productive speculation from it. STEPN, the main NFT drive in view of the transition to Procure idea, is a solid way of life application with social money and play to acquire perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository conveyance. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we look at what is GMT. What's more, STEPN specialized in crucial examination. How about we check it out? What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The venture chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's ordinary action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the third second place and was the principal undertaking to coordinate the move to Procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a great many clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-discharge cars. Then again, the social money part of STEPN means to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. The STEPN money and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate significantly more quickly than the generally speaking crypto market cap, giving financial backers tremendous additions on both short and long-haul property. Besides, you should decide the sort of help and obstruction levels that STEPN cost conjecture experiences to make arrangements for its future. The even obstruction can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. STEPN is presently worth 39 cents USD. GMT has moved 0.09% as of now with an exchanging volume of $40,044,264. STEPN is presently positioned 137 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $287,086,449 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. STEPN Value Forecast 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 59 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 55 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 47 cents. STEPN Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. STEPN GMT cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 99 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the GMT's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 79 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 87 cents. STEPN Value Expectation 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.39 and GMT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.27 and a low of $1.19 in 2025. STEPN Value Expectation 2026. Assuming STEPN effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.78, with a base cost of $1.58 and a typical cost of $1.66. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $2.06 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.98 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $2.18. STEPN Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.46. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.58. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.38. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $2.77 and a yearly cost close above $2.97 in 2029. STEPN Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.17 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.37, averaging out at $3.25. STEPN Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme GMT cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.88 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.72. Given the gigantic volume of GMT cryptographic money exchanging, the possible development, and the quantity of applications presently being made on the Solana blockchain. As far as speculation counsel, STEPN is by all accounts a savvy venture according to Showcase Cap and Specialist. Notwithstanding, remember that nothing in the crypto domain is sure, so don't contribute on the off chance that you can't stand to lose the cash. The cost of STEPN GMT is declining, yet assesses demonstrate that the descending pattern will before long converse, and a vertical energy will begin. For momentary financial backers, holding the token can be a dangerous venture, yet it is obvious that drawn-out financial backers stand to essentially acquire. What is the STEPN cost today? Today, STEPN is exchanging at 39 cents with an